Well, in the test garden, I had some fail and some really did well. This corn, it'll have to be pulled up. Over here, I got a big squash. It's ready to pick. And then this one, it's getting there. It's getting ripe. It turns out the squash did pretty well. I got another one of these and it's not even rotting on the end. And the zucchini cash machine, it's just huge. And it does have quite a few squash coming as well. I don't know if you could see them. Then behind here is a butternut squash. This was another fail. The calabrese, it's just going to have to be pulled. Nothing happened. It just didn't form. So I'm going to pull all of these, let the squash grow. And this is a Seminole pumpkin. It's the first one that actually took. After I pull up this corn, I'm going to be planting these really neat purple Chinese long beans. I'm planting these long purple Chinese noodle beans. This will be the last thing that I plant until the fall, until about July. I'm planting them on both sides. I just dig a hole. And these are really beautiful beans. So this is my new test garden after I pulled everything. The Seminole pumpkin and then the new trellis. The carrots are still doing good. And then I pulled all of the calabrese, and then to my surprise, it looks like it could be another Seminole pumpkin if it forms. And what's funny is that Seminole pumpkin started way over there, and we've got one planted itself there, and then all the way down at the other end is the large one. So I'm just letting it root on its own, and it'll probably take over most of the bed. Be sure you click the subscribe button because I'm going to continue testing throughout the summer, and in next month's video I'll be introducing some of the things I plan on planting for the fall.